Okay, so this is, I believe, lesson 6 that we're going into. And this is fluently dividing multi-digit numbers with decimals to the thousands place. I showed you the place value chart for the thousands place in the previous video. So when we're dividing with decimals, we can either multiply by 10, multiply by 100, or we can simply move the decimals the same distance. I prefer teaching the students to move the decimal the same distance because they won't get confused with the multiplying. So we do the move the decimal by the same distance in the divisor first. The second number is always your divisor. So we're going to move the decimal 2 places, 1, 2. So that number becomes 36. And then we're going to also move it the same distance in our dividend, which is the larger number. We're going to move it the same distance, which is 1, 2. Now that number becomes 2,988. Remember, when you do not see a decimal in the number, remember we moved it to the end of the number. So now the decimal is right here behind the number. There is no decimal in the divisor, okay? So now, before we get started, I want you to write your multiples of your divisor because it's going to help you solve the problem. So 36 is our first one. And then we need to keep going. So we're going to do 36 plus 36, which gives us 1272. So our first multiple is 36. The second one is 72. And then we're going to add 36 more, which gives us 108. That's our third one. And then we're going to add 36 more, which gives us 144. Then we're going to add 36 more. I messed up here. I should have written 36 more, which gives us that 144. Now we're going to add, all of these are addition problems, and then we're going to add 36 more. That gives us 10, carry the 1, 180. 36 more, 6, 11, 2. 36 more, 12, 4, 5, 2. So we have 144, 180, 216, 254, plus 36 more, 288, and let's do one more. 288 plus 36. 14, 11, 12, 324. Normally we can do maybe 5, but because the number here is quite large, we needed to move on. So here, 36 cannot go into 2. So we're going to put a 0, 0, bring down your 9. 36 can't go into 29. So we're going to bring a 0, 2 zeros, 2, 9, bring down your 8. How many times can 36 go into 298? We look over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can do 288, but we cannot do more than that. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 36 times 8 is 8. 4, 24 plus 4 is 28. We have the number here, and we're going to subtract 1, 0. Then we're going to bring down our 8. And then we see 108. Do we see 108 over here? Yes, right here. We should have circled this. Now we see 108. We're going to circle that. How many times can it go into 108? 1, 2, 3 times. So, and we just subtract. So our answer to this problem equals 83. We do not need to put the decimal behind the number. That is one way to solve this. Okay?